KSY30E Industrial Syringe Pump. It is a sister product derived from KSY30, compact and lightweight, small space occupation, suitable for 1 ml syringes, rated stroke 30 mm, adaptable to a variety of complex working conditions. Compared with the peristaltic pump, KSY30E is more pressure, higher precision. Pressure bearing capacity is up to 0.38兆帕 Repeatability 小于等于0.1%. Does not require repeated calibration. The same accuracy can be maintained after a single calibration. KSY30E also has good media compatibility. Liquid path materials include PTFE, PP, PPS valve head, EPDM diaphragm, borosilicate glass, PTFE, stainless steel, which usually have good corrosion resistance and chemical stability. Its structure is simple to maintain. The liquid line is controlled by a solenoid valve, and the valve changeover time is 小于等于 50 milliseconds. The stepper motor can effectively ensure the transmission position and guarantee the precision. It can be directly controlled by electrical signal or 485-232 communication. Module form can realize flexible integration. The pump is mainly used in equipment and instruments, biopharmaceuticals, precise delivery of nutrients, analytical instruments, precise addition of testing reagents, bacterial culture, precise injection of culture media.